This is so delicious.
This ramen is so good.
This one is our set.
Yes.
Kiriyama family set. Dambo ramen.
We're looking for some food to eat. We are now waiting and we're gonna go to the boarding gate number 26. Again in Osaka, stand on the right side and walk on the left side. In Tokyo, stand on the left side and walk on the right side. See you soon, Vietnam!
Vietnam. For security, please detach from passenger. We need your
Ho Chi Minh! From here, we're gonna go to Bui Bien. It's a backpacker street. Pretty. Actually, we're just here to buy earphones. It's too dark and you cannot see us, but we are at the park right now.
Really lucky.
Because we are so tired of walking. From here, we're gonna go to Dumbo Ramen. That's our favorite ramen shop. How much is this? 1,000 yen. This is such a weird. I can wear summer clothes right now. Times Square. We are now in New York. Finally.
This one.
This one. After 2 years, we're back to our favorite ramen shop. The last time we ate here was in 2017. One of our favorite things to do here is to eat a lot of moyashi. Itadakimasu.
This is so delicious.
This ramen is so good.
This one is our set.
Yes.
Kiriyama family set. Dambo ramen. I will order moyashi.
Actually, it's pretty
Yo.
good. We just finished Dumbo Ramen.
That's so delicious.
It's 10 p.m. here and we're full. We're happy. We're
Yes.
going back home.
Moyashi was so delicious.
So yeah. Thanks for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, we're excited about our Ho Chi Minh life. And yeah. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. Yeah, we're getting Grab right now. So nostalgic because the last time we used Grab or Uber was in 2017. We used to live here. Oh, we got a driver. We decided to just walk because our Grab driver canceled. It's gonna be about 30 minutes on foot. This is our Airbnb.